Situated on the grounds of the Misty Hills Country Hotel and just 15 minutes from Lanseria Airport, the award-winning Carnivore, Johannesburg restaurant is where I went out for a scrumptious lunch with a group of close friends.
Okay, fine. For starters, get the leek and potato soup and a honey bread. We bake it here. Woo! So when you're done, they bring the salads and sauces. So they start with the large one first, and we've got the giraffe.
Giraffe?
Yes. Kudu. Impala.
Yep.
Drumstick of beef.
Yes, sir.
And leg of lamb.
Woo! What are the crocodile?
Yes. So that falls on the starters.
Yeah.
So you eat as much as you can, as you like.
Say that again.
Eat as much as you like.
I came to the right place. Well renowned for its positioning statement as Africa's greatest eating experience, it's the place where you get to feast like a king. I felt like a king. And I thoroughly enjoyed the royal treatment I received from the friendly Carnivore staff.
Dawa for the really carnivores.
Yeah.
Which gives some energy and some appetite so that you eat as much as you like. Dawa for the really carnivores. Which is double vodka, honey, sugar, lemon.
Double vodka?
Yes. And honey, sugar, lemon, and then some ice. Dawa for the really carnivores.
Thank you very much, Dawa, ladies and gentlemen. Dawa! Yeah.
Are we surrendering?
Surrendering.
So team meat wins against us. All right. And we surrender.
Thank you very much, Nick. My wonderful friends out there, you have to come to Carnivore. I'm telling you, Carnivore restaurant at Misty Hills is a place to be. You see right now, I am so full up. I was eating crocodile, kudu, impala, giraffe, lamb. Oh, my. You see, when they say finger licking good, this was hand licking good. Everything was just superb. Y'all gotta come here, bring everybody, the whole lot, family, friends, relatives, come and eat good meat, good food, great hospitality. Oh, man, come on, just bring everybody, come on. Carnivore is part of the Recreation Africa Group, so you can also enjoy a fabulous stay at the Misty Hills Country Hotel with stunning conference facilities and luxurious spa in the country. Recreation Africa's Carnivore Restaurant and Misty Hills Hotel, a proudly African experience.